So W1, the updated W equal to W1 plus delta W, which is alpha times x1 times E. We have to repeat it again, which is W1 plus delta W, which is alpha times x1 times E1. Okay? Same. This one W2, so we have W2 plus delta W, which is alpha times x2 times arrow. Okay, I can drag it down, but I have to be careful with B3, B3, B3. Okay, make it underline. So we repeat again. If AND of x1 and x2 equal to true, means the AND condition is true, is 1, otherwise is 0. Okay, we can drag it down, no problem. So linear combiner is x1 times W1 bracket plus x2 times W2. You can drag it down, no problem. So y is if linear combiner is less than theta is 0, otherwise 1. Okay, if linear combiner less than theta is 0, otherwise is 0, otherwise 1. Okay, we can drag it down, but again we have to be careful with B3. Why B3? Because my alpha is in B3. Okay, and also B3. Okay, error is simple. Desired minus actual. I can drag it down. Okay, my weight again, W1 plus delta W, which is alpha times x1 times rho. Okay, I can drag it down. I leave here because we don't have time. I will go for this table. Sorry, I can select from here to here. I copy here, right? Which is same. Okay, now I want to make the next iteration for one epoch. Okay, I want to show how we use epoch 2. We have over x1 and x2 same. Okay, but for W1, W2 we have to copy from updated. So I copy here, which gives error, so I have to write it down. 0.3 minus 0.1 minus 0.1 minus 0.1 minus 0.1, minus 0.1. I'm just repeating, see? I'm just repeating. 0.2, 0.3, 0.3. Okay? Oh, come on. Okay, same procedure. Again, if, same. If x1 and and x1 x2 equal to true, it is 1, otherwise 0. I can drag it down. Linear combiner is true, right? P37 times D37 plus is true, right? So I can drag it down. Y is if linear combiner is less than P2 is 0, otherwise 1. Okay, I can drag it down. This one P2, this one P2, and this one B2. Okay, what is error? Desired, again, desired minus actual. I can drag it down. I look, it is 0, no. I have to continue. First, I should update that W1 plus delta W, which is x1 times alpha times what? Error. Can drag it down, but I have to change B4 to B3. B3, B3. Same thing for W2 plus delta W, which is x2 times B2, which is alpha, times error, right? Can drag it down to this one also 2. I baba 2. Okay. Then A. So it is not 0. Okay, I copy paste here again x. Wait, I have to take from updated one here. So I have to write down 0.3 minus 0.1, 0.3, Salah, 0.3, 0.2, 0.3, 0.1, minus 0.1, minus 0.1. Okay, so from here I can drag it down. Okay, seems okay. This one also I can drag it down. Okay, we know that how to calculate, right? Which is okay. For y, again, if linear combiner is less than theta, it is 0, otherwise 1. Okay, I will continue. I just drag just this one B2, this one B2, this one B2. Okay, error is, say, desired minus actual. I can drag it down. It's supposed to be 0. There is something wrong. Okay, equal to W plus x1 times alpha times error. I think I made a mistake here. No, true. B3, this one B3, this one B3. But this should be 0. Why? Something wrong. If linear combiner B43 D43 CE is true, right? Plus alpha times x2 times error. You can drag it down. It's supposed to finish, but why is not finished? I have to check. There's one problem. D3, the B3, B3. Error should be 0. Why continue? We did a mistake here. We compare. Let's check. Epoch 1. This one 0.2. We find 0.1. 5. D. Okay. D39 plus. Okay, we do it again. This one is W1, right? W1 plus alpha times x1 times error 0.2 again. The problem is from here. The problem is from here. Equal to W1 plus x1 times alpha times error. Why this one is 0.2? We have 0.1, huh? It's not the same. why it is not same? Why it is not same? 0.3. Is this one is wrong, not me. Huh? This one should be 0, but the problem is, see, compare this one for us for the for this example for the right side is 0.2. We have 0.3. That's the regarding one. Number 4, continue until here, we cannot get 0, but this one gets 0. But I think it's always true. Why become like this? D33, what is D33? D33 is this one. Plus B, which is this one, times alpha through times I. Okay, I is different. I is desired minus actual. It's 0, right? E is okay. So the problem is y. Why my y is over y is different? Y is less than b is less than theta, right? If it is less than theta, which is b2. Okay, problem solved. Problem solved. 0.2, then something change. Here 0.1. Okay. I put 2.7, not 2. Okay. Wow. So we look at the error. Error is 0. Then this weighted W is our answer. Okay. This form. Okay. So we can continue for all. Okay. I wasn't recording. I could press a start, not a stop.